You gotta pull the fork out. There you go. You still have food on there though. There you go. Nope, use the other end. Yes. Okay. Poke it. You didn't get any food. Let me hold this still. Let's help you get some food on there. There you go. All right, good girl. Good job. Oh, is that too hot? I think you should use the fork. I think you should use the fork again. It's easier with your hands. It's faster. Can I help you? Watch. You don't want my help? Can I help you? Thank you. Okay, here. I want you to do it. Put your hand on here. Ready? There you go. Now pull the fork out. Good job. You got to use the other end. Yeah. Poke it. Oh, look, you have some on your fork. Take a bite. Good job. Can you try again with your fork? Well, don't poke your hand, it'll hurt. Ready? Oh, there you go. Ready? Here we go. It's hard to see this through the camera, so let me just help you poke a little bit. There you go. Now you got some on the fork. You're doing good. All right. Mommy's gonna say, oh, you gotta switch hands. Oh, you got some. Up. You gotta take it off. Here, you're holding the fork wrong. All right, good job. Bye-bye, honey. Keep eating.